What are we going to do today? I have some ribbons.
We're gonna make a wig!
No, no wigs. We are going to be gingerbread men. Okay, so you are a gingerbread man.
Okay.
You are a gingerbread man.
Okay.
You are a gingerbread man. We are all gingerbread men. Okay. You are each going to have one of the ribbons. You are going to put it in your back pocket or in your belt. We are going to do something similar to a mingle. Okay?
Okay.
But instead of saying mingle, we are going to say a song about gingerbread men.
Okay. Okay.
So repeat. Catch me, catch me.
Catch me, catch me.
Catch me if you can.
Catch me if you can.
You can't catch me.
You can't catch me.
I'm the gingerbread man.
I'm the gingerbread man.
Good job. Okay. So the aim is to catch the other person's ribbon from their back pocket. So, would you like a ribbon?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Would you like a ribbon?
Yes, please.
And would you like a ribbon?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Thank you.
Everyone take a ribbon and put it in their back pocket or in their belt loop. Oh, you dropped your ribbon! No! Okay. So is everybody ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Catch me,
Catch me, catch me if you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
Stop! Find a partner. Find a partner and catch the ribbon. Catch the ribbon. Oh! Well done.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
They have a ribbon, so we are out, and they can continue playing. Are you ready? Catch me,
Catch me, catch me if you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
Oh, who's gonna
Wait,
get
what's that? Wait. No! Ah, no!
Oh yes, well done. Emily is the winner. Okay. So you can have a lot of fun with this game. Really good if you have a big group. So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.